chasse quarter turn, mambo step, cross over to the side, and cross half turn. Mountain.
Here we go. 7, 8. Lock step back, go step, hold. Ball step, lock step forward, walk, lock step forward, rock step, sailor turn, side together. Chelsea quarter turn, rock forward, and step, rock, step, and step, hold. Ball step, cross samba, mambo step, lock step back, kick and touch, behind side cross, hips left and right. Chelsea quarter turn, mambo right, mambo left, over, step, cross, half, turn. And we start again. Yeah?